Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and I have found a set of ceramic dishes that are an absolute showstopper. I am so delighted with how beautiful these dishes are from FARWIX. They form a lotus flower in graduating shades of green, and these colors are my favorite for decorating. They just add such a beautiful accent. So as far as sizes go, the biggest one is about the size of a dinner bowl, and then of course it just gets smaller from there. I found that they hold quite a bit more than I thought they would. They're also food safe. I really love that because it helps to step up my hostess game so that I can really present my dishes in a beautiful manner. They're just such a conversation piece. They're so visually pleasing. I just love using them for decoration also. The curves are so beautiful and they look really nice when you stagger the sides. So it does look like a flower, but they also look good by themselves too. So you can definitely break them up and use them however you see fit. I love these for use in my own home, but they would make a really stunning gift for someone. And that's my point of view.